Hello, my name is Mike Del Conte. I'm the Director of Heating and Propane Sales at FW Web, and I'm extremely excited to talk to you about a brand new product just launched by PurePro. This is the PurePro Hydro Separator 5-in-1. Often called the Hydrocyclone 5000, this 5-in-1 boiler accessory is designed to do everything needed in a high efficiency boiler or combi installation. First thing I want to talk about is the hydraulic separation. Why is hydraulic separation so important, and what is hydraulic separation? Hydraulic separation is referred to in many different ways. It's often called decoupling the system. Sometimes it's called primary, secondary piping. Essentially what it's allowing is for the boiler to get the flow it needs, but also the system zones and piping to get the flow that they need. And they can operate independently of each other. When this is sized correctly, it eliminates any piping equation that could lead to an improper install. You're guaranteeing that your boiler piping is done correctly, first time, every time, eliminating callbacks and saving you time and money. Next thing I want to talk about is stainless steel coalescing air elimination. You'll see this 1/2-inch air eliminator on the top. We have a stainless steel coalescing media that's designed to eliminate all the air in the system and also all the micro bubbles in the system. It's placed at the top of the unit, which is where the air resides. Why is it important to get rid of air in a system? Air is the #1 catalyst for corrosion. If you have corrosion in the system, that's going to lead to breaking down of the heat exchanger, pinholes, premature leaks. Also, we all know that air does not transfer heat as well as water. So when you get airbound zones in a system, you're reducing your efficiency on the boiler or combi, and you could be creating rooms that just don't heat up as fast or at all. Next thing I want to talk about is stainless steel dirt elimination. So coalescing media is going to knock down all the dirt in the system. Collection point is going to be at the bottom. You notice we have a nice blow down right down here. This is designed for serviceability. Go ahead and remove that dirt, blow that down on a service call. Ferrous materials and magnetite is something that's talked about very frequently in today's high efficiency hydronic world. Magnetite is the #1 problem in high efficiency boiler systems today. A recent study just showed that 95% of all boiler system failures can be attributed to magnetite in some way. This is a 10-pound rare earth magnet designed to go in this well, and we remove 100% of all ferrous materials. Another thing I want to talk about is this tridicator right here. You're going to get temperature and pressure readings on the tridicator right in front, right on the system. So again, hydraulic separation, primary, secondary piping is done correctly, first time, every time. Stainless steel coalescing air elimination, not just getting rid of the big bubbles, but getting rid of all those micro bubbles too. Very important. Dirt elimination, ferrous material, magnetic removal, okay? Going to protect the heat exchanger, make sure that boiler lasts a very long time, and also protect a lot of the system components around it. Anybody's installing ECM pumps, you know that the magnet on an ECM pump, the motor, is magnetic. So if you're not removing that magnetite and those ferrous materials in your system somehow, there's only 2 places where it's going to collect. One of them is the heat exchanger, which happens to be the most expensive part of the boiler or combi. And the other place it could be is your system pumps, right? And you could be replacing circulator pumps in a very short period of time. So very important to get those ferrous materials out of the system, that magnetite. And obviously you want to know what your temperature and pressure reading is in the system, so we have this built-in tridicator. All of this comes with this unit. It's a new product. We just launched it. We're extremely excited about it. We really hope you try one. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, please reach out to a branch near you, or feel free to visit fwweb.com/heating. Thank you and have a great day.